Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm joining Mom from MomDas Life Handmade and Jelena from Blondie Next Door. And they wanted us for the useful DIY for May 2020. They wanted us to make a cardboard craft. And I'm so excited because we're having some issues to find crafting products and I had cardboard at home. So I decided I wanted to use this cardboard I had from a fan that I bought a long time ago. I'm gonna use these popsicle sticks, the smaller ones. I'm gonna use Elmer's glue, an old brush, some water, and this brown paper. We're gonna make a faux wooden clock. Now let's get started. First we're gonna take our paper and we're gonna lay it and cut a little bit of that paper. And now we're gonna add the glue to the water and mix it really nicely. I want really watered down glue. And we're gonna add that glue to our cardboard just like that, to all of it. And now we're gonna glue our paper and start adding glue on top of the paper, just like that. Now we're cutting the edges and doing the same thing all around our clock. That's because we don't want a raw edge over there. And continue adding glue and gluing those edges. Now that we have it dry and you can see the faux wood grain, we're gonna add the divisions so we have wood planks. It's not completely dry, it's a little bit wet, and that's what we need so that black paint would just like mix with the glue. While that dries, we're gonna start painting our numbers. For that, we're gonna paint those sticks, craft sticks, popsicle sticks. And we're gonna now assemble our numbers. We're gonna start painting our wood, faux wood, and for that, we're gonna add those colors and I'm gonna mix them with my brush, just like that. And we're gonna start giving some brush strokes with all of those colors, like so, until we have the desired color on our clock. I'm gonna continue painting until I have the right amount of color and it looks like I want it. And now I'm just gluing my numbers to my clock. I glued the 12, the 3, and the 6. And I just realized that I messed up. Oh my goodness, I just realized that my clock has wrong numbers. It has 2 4s. Well, I just realized I messed up with my clock, but this is a general idea of how a clock would look. Don't mind the numbers. We're gonna add those and we're gonna finish with the clock with the wrong numbers. And that will be it. And this is how it turned out, even with the wrong numbers. And this is how it looks. This is a general idea of how a clock should look without the messed up numbers. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how it turned out, even though it's messed up. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.